Waylon, you help Sissy? Hold it. Hold on, Wyatt. Wyatt, hold on.
Okay, I guess I have to do it. Hey, Mom, will you do it?
No. Y'all are gonna hurt somebody.
Ready? Go.
Oh my gosh.
You have your part. Ready? Set.
Y'all are crazy. Waylon. 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 Y'all come back in here, please. Like the boots up there. That's funny. And
okay, Wyatt, stay right here, and I'm going to the other side, okay? And then I'm gonna let go.
be careful. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that hurt? Hey, y'all.
Can we listen to the video?
Yeah.